Well, hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a video. My background is microbiology and biochemistry. I bring science to beauty, and I'm also a luxury beauty YouTuber. Today's video is me doing swatches for the beautiful Lori. She wanted me to swatch one of the shades, Modern, but I decided to swatch all of my matte shades from the Rouge Velvet Extreme line from Chanel, so that if you're curious about any of the shades and what it looks like on a deeper skin tone, then you can definitely stick around for these swatches. Even if you're not a deeper skin tone, these are some really nice colors that I feel would look good universally as well. Let's get into my collection. So right out the gate, this is Chestnut. This is one of my favorites because it not only is a lipstick that you can wear over your entire lip, but it also can be a lip liner. Look at that, friends. And next up is Lori's requested color, and this is Modern. It looks more like a nudie pink. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, Lori. You all, I just bought this today just because Lori wanted to see swatches on my skin tone. And I love nudes anyway, so. And I'm doing this without lip liner so you all can see. Ooh. All right, and next up is Eternal, which I thought Lori would be close to Modern shades. So I just want to hold those up together so you can see, because they're very close. But I think Modern is more nude than your Eternal. So just gonna swatch. Ooh, every time I wear this color, friends, I love this with the Seankbeauty or that Chestnut lipstick. So this is Endless. So this is Eclosion. Purpley blue-ish undertone to this. It doesn't want to be red and it doesn't want to be fuchsia pink, but it is still pretty. All right, and this next color is Ideal. This is a super duper powerful red that I absolutely love. And with a burgundy lip liner or even a brown or red, as you can see, my lips have like a brown line to them. So this is Ideal, my friends. It's gorgeous. So I wanted to grab out all three. This one is Eternal, this one is Modern in the middle, and this one is Endless on the end. So as you can see, the hues are completely different. So if you wanted to pair any of these lipsticks, you can. And what I really love about muted fuchsia and that chestnut shade is they can really work as lip liners as well. You can use this with a beautiful red like that Ideal, and it'll be glorious, and maybe I'll do that in another video. So about the matte lipsticks, they are enriched with vitamin E and sapin wood as well as sweet almond oil. And they're very comfortable on the lips. They're super duper pigmented. And what I love about these mattes is that they're not an uncomfortable matte. You can wear this on the lips all day. It sits well underneath your mask. And that's what I really love about Chanel when they're making their products. They're really thinking about, not only are we giving you pigment, but we want you to be comfortable, and we're putting, you know, some useful ingredients in there so that you can be comfortable. These retail for about $40. There's 11 in the Rouge Velvet Extreme collection. I have 7 of them. The other ones that I saw, it just didn't warrant me purchasing them because I didn't see too much of a variation from what I already have in my collection. So yeah, hopefully you all found this to be helpful. I'm here for you. Leave your questions down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.